Hi, my name is Dave and I am a bird nerd. Welcome to my community, bird sculptors and painters. I love me some bird tail, but sometimes I don't draw the feathers on my carving before I finish the carving, prime it, and sit down at the paint bench. And then I'm left with some weird compromises. Let me show you a couple of compromises that I don't like and show you one that works all right. The first one is the black hole. This is where the tail feathers are all spread out in a seesaw mountain pattern, and then in between each one of the feathers, you paint something real dark. It looks really weird, and that's not a compromise I'm a big fan of. Another compromise is ignore the problem in the middle and just do the big giant central tail feather. This one's okay too, but it looks a little weird. The lines that I have here are usually lighter highlights, but it looks a little strange having all that space in the middle. Of course, you can tighten those feathers up, and I've done that here with one central tail feather and then the rest of the feathers fanning out on either side. That's also, it's okay, but it looks a little weird, and it looks a little weird because tail feathers come in pairs. So this is my favorite compromise. Again, I suggest carving the thing to accentuate your tail feather layout in the first place, but if you don't, here's something you can do. Now what I've done here, let me pick up my pencil, I've drawn a center line when I went to lay out my feathers. You can see that here. And I've put two central tail feathers, one on each side of the center line. Of course, one has to overlap. And then I simply draw and fan out feathers on either side. When you do this compromise, you only show two quills because the rest of them are hiding. But it works all right. I hope this is helpful for somebody. Thanks. If you enjoyed this tip, hit the subscribe button. Then you'll know when I upload more of the good stuff. You should probably also consider joining my community, bird sculptors and painters. There's a link in the description below this video, and that will get you all the best tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox, as well as updates on all the courses that I offer. I look forward to supporting you in your journey to Total Bird Nerd. Thank you.